In this video, I'm going to teach you how to use admin commands in your own game, Roblox Mobile. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. If you are in an experience that you made in Roblox, you can download HD admin. On PC, you would do it through Roblox Studio, but if you are on mobile, then you will have to do alternative steps to get it to work. So I'm going to teach you how to set up and use HD admin by Forever HD on your own Roblox experience. So on mobile, open the settings. So pause the game, go over to settings, and then scroll all the way down. You will find developer console at the bottom. So open the developer console on mobile. In here, you will have plenty of options. You don't really have to worry about all of this. But the most important thing is that you have to toggle between client and server. Make sure that you choose server. If you are on client, this is not going to work. Now, on the command bar, tap on this and you will have to write out a specific code. So as you can see, this is what you have to write. So write it exactly like this. Require, then open parentheses and type out this number 108688473330, close parentheses, please, or PLS, and then parentheses, and in here you will input your name. So let's say your Roblox username is Roblox Guy. You would input it like this. Then close parentheses. And then you send the command. So all that you have to do is type it out exactly like this. In here you will type your username, so remember that. And then once you have the command properly typed out, you can send it. This will give you access to Ask Sir on mobile. Now you will see welcome, your username, and what you have to do is go into the hub. So tap on hub at the bottom here. Inside of the hub, you have to input this code. So it is a passphrase that you can acquire from this Discord to properly use the tools. It is going to be cool kids like this. Make sure that you use zeros instead of O. And now, once you are in the hub, you will be able to find HD admin installer. So find it from this list. Choose it, and you will have HD admin installed on your Roblox experience. You can type out this on your chat, CMDS, which is commands, and this is going to show you all of the commands that you can use with HD admin. So I hope I was able to help you. If this video helped you, please consider subscribing. As you can see, 83% of the people watching our videos are not subscribed. By subscribing, you can help us make higher quality videos. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.